What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna do the actual install on these AUXITO lights that are LED, the backup lights and the blinker, and we're gonna make them a lot brighter. One thing I do really like about AUXITO is they fit really good in the socket. I've heard of other companies where they can get loose, you hit a bump, then it falls out. These, I've done some tests already, they work great. So I highly recommend them. Will put a link in the description with the code CTR15 off, and you'll get 15% off the website if you would like to get these lights. So highly recommend them. All right, let's get this installed here. First thing we do, pry tool, Amazon. Good deal, highly recommend it. It isn't too bad to take off. I'm not a big fan of plastic tabs. I always seem to break them, even when I go as slow as I possibly can. There we go, that was easy. So we got that piece off. We're gonna use a Phillips, take off the rest. And then we're gonna use this pry tool and we're gonna pop it each way and just get it real loose. And then once we got it loose, we kind of pull and go to the right a little bit, but you gotta be very careful because you can break this thing. I've already pre-loosened this thing so I can get it off. There we go, that was pretty quick. Mine was a lot more difficult than that. All right guys, let's compare. We have the upgraded light, and then we have the factory one. It's just a little bit brighter. So left is the new upgrade, the right is the factory one. And then we got much brighter. All right, as for the reverse lights, we got a pry tool. We're just gonna come in here, pop that open, and then it's gonna be, I believe this one right here. You can unplug that, get out of the way. And then it's gonna be this one right here. It's in there at an angle, and what you're gonna wanna do is kind of twist it. I believe it's left. It was kind of a pain to do, but just kind of put your finger on it, wiggle it a little bit, pop it out. And then we put the brand new bulb in. I've actually already done the bulbs. For me, the hardest part was getting it out. One of them went back in really easy. The other one was kind of a pain in the butt. So that takes a little bit of time. All right, we got the light in there now. It's looking much better. Let's get this thing screwed on. It's a pretty easy install except for just, man, be careful. Don't break no tabs. It can be a pain in the butt if you do. Boom, just like that. I think we do the hooks first. Boom, just like that. Much better. Now we are done. All right guys, if you're still watching, thanks for watching. And if you need any LED lights, check into AUXITO. They make really high quality stuff. They fit in the socket perfectly and they have really good deals. Use the link and CTR15 off to get a discount. Let's turn off these lights so you guys can see how bright these backup lights are. I've used them the last few days and man, it's like there's a headlight in the back of the car now. Super bright. Heck, let's open the garage real quick, I'll show you. Actually, let's do this real quick. Check out the camera. You guys like that? Check out the camera. It's, I mean, like, again, there's a headlight in the back now. It's super bright. Let's open the garage real quick so you guys can see it. I apologize it's not darker outside, but I go to bed so early because of my job. But yeah, dude, so much better. Highly recommend these lights from AUXITO. Get a 15% discount if you use my link and code. All right guys, appreciate you watching. Have a good day.